Every day from ACS Learning. Come back to my channel. Today, 2022, 21st of December. Yes, we are 4 days away from Christmas and we have 3 more days, including today for trading day. Well, all right. So yes, let's take a look over here. Let's see what do we have here right today. In this trading session, I'm going to plan out what are we going to focus for the day. All right. Okay, AUDCAD. Yes, AUDCAD. Let's take a look at AUDCAD. Hi, Hubert. Nice to see you here. Good morning. Right. So over here, let's see. Okay. Right now, as we can see, this area here, we can see that this area here is actually now in the move to the bull. Okay, but it's actually coming down now as in the bear. So AUDCAD, yes, today we are going to focus because it actually breaks through and we are going to look out for selling today, right? So hopefully yesterday was a good day. And yep, and well, so I'm going to put this AUDCAD into my selling list, all right? Okay, so how about Aussie franc over here? Aussie franc. Well, Aussie franc is also in the bear. However, today we are on the support. We are very near to the support right now. So let's see if this support is going to rebound, okay, or it will break. Okay, so later on we'll take a look. Okay, that will be later on. Okay, so next to go. Aussie yen. Aussie yen. Well, Aussie yen over here, we are in the bear. Well, very nice. Okay, looks like yesterday have a very good drop. So Aussie yen over here, then we can see that over here we are sitting on the support over at this area here. So right now, with this support over at this area here, okay, very likely that we are going to see some retracement, or it may even break the support to continue the downward trend. All right, so let's see if we have a chance to continue the downward trend, which is I see that there may be a chance after it breaks the support. Okay, so yep, Aussie yen. Yeah, we can take a look. All right, Aussie yen. Yes, so we can take a look at later on. All right, for Aussie yen, so if there's a chance for us to continue the selling down. Yes, for Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi, yes, very nice. We are still in the downward trend over here. So we are right now on the resistance, correct? We are right now on the resistance. Yes, okay, now it's testing on the resistance. So for Aussie Kiwi over here, we are going to look out for selling. All right, there's a good chance there, so pay attention to that. All right, so for next to go, Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar. Well, Aussie dollar, we have a slight in terms of the whole trend here. You can see that it's actually now going for a bull, but this bull is not extending, so now it's coming back into the bear. So shall we continue the selling of the Aussie dollar? Yep, I see that there's a good chance that we are on the resistance and now continue the selling down. So we still have quite a fair bit of space down here to take about 20 over pips. So Aussie dollar, yes, I'm going to put this into my watch list, right? Aussie dollar. Okay, so for Euro Aussie, yeah, Euro Aussie, we are actually Euro Aussie right here. If we are looking to Euro Aussie, it still continue the bull. All right. So for Aussie dollar, Euro Aussie, all right, Euro Aussie, is good for buying, but sellers have to stay away. All right. Okay. So for Euro CAD over here, we are now still in the bull, but the bull is now is transmitting into this bear. So at this moment, all right, at this moment over here, currently are we in the bear already? I would say that we are still in the transition. So let's pay attention to that first. Okay, but tentatively, we have to take note about what is going on later on because today we have Canadian dollar for the CPI. So probably there may be a selling opportunity, but today this may go a bit slow, okay, before the CPI. So let's hang on and see how it goes. Euro dollar. Sorry, Euro yen. Euro yen over here, yes, yesterday has a big drop as well. So this is a bull and the big drop over here and it tested. It went into the area to test onto the support over at this area. And finally, it breaks and now it coming back to test on the resistance. Well, will it actually go on to test onto the resistance to continue the selling down? All right, so there's one point here and there's one point here that we need to pay attention to. Right, so if we are going to sell down, all right, today, there may be another 100 pips to go. I see that there may be a good chance there. So for Euro Yen, yes, we can pay attention to that. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to put Euro Yen into my watch list. Okay. Well, for Euro Kiwi, let's take a look at Euro Kiwi. Well, Euro Kiwi in the bear, but now we're tracing upwards now to test on the resistance. So Euro Kiwi for today, I would say that the resistance level, okay, it should be quite high up there as we can see over here. Right, so it's testing on this resistance right now to see if this actually will work. So tentatively, all right, tentatively, this resistance is actually strong, I would say. Well, we can pay attention to this Euro Kiwi since the retracement seems like it's coming to the end. But I will still suggest that over at this point here, all right, it's good to sell down, but we still have a very good space down here to take. Okay, so at the moment over here, right, it's actually looking out for support. So it's over at somewhere here to look out for the support before it actually can start the selling. All right, so Euro Kiwi, I'm going to put this into my watch list today. Right, so let's take a look later on. Okay. Yep, and again for Euro dollar. Yeah, let's move to Euro dollar. Well, as you can see, we shrink down. Euro dollar is actually going down on the down, and after that rebound into the bull. So today, this bull is going to have some retracement to look out for support. So it looks like the support has no change. Resistance is the same. All right. So tentatively, be looking at this Euro dollar for selling. All right. So Euro dollar for selling, but it's actually in the bull. Okay. So I'm going to put a symbol behind so that we know we are trading against the trend to look out for support. Okay, so once the support hits and I build up the support, then we have to stop selling for Euro dollar. Right, so next to go. Okay, so Pound Aussie, we are also in the bull. Tentatively, we are testing on the resistance. Will there be a chance that it actually going to break above? Of course, when it breaks above, we have no chance to sell, and we shall be looking into buying. But tentatively, it's looking out for a buying opportunity. Okay, so sorry, it's looking for a selling opportunity right here. So for Pound Aussie, okay, for people who are keen on Pound Aussie on the selling, you are still trading against the trend. So yeah, please take note about that. All right, Pound CAD. Pound CAD. All right, Pound CAD over here. Well, Pound CAD at this point here, right, Pound CAD, we are actually moving into the bull, transiting into the bear. So it looks like over at this point here, the resistance has a slight change over here. Right, so we are right in the middle of nowhere. So I will suggest that we should skip this first. Okay, Pound franc. Let's take a look at Pound franc. Well, Pound franc is actually in the bull, but transiting down into the bear. So I see that we still have very good chance that this Pound franc to sell. Right, so Pound franc is good now. It's testing onto the resistance. Okay, so let's see if this resistance is able to hold it down. If the if the resistance is able to hold it down over at this point here, then I will see that there are good chance for selling downwards to take the support over here. We have very good space for this Pound franc. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to put Pound franc into my watch list. Okay, yeah, and Pound franc. Okay, yeah. Next to go. Well, okay, for Pound yen. Okay, Pound yen over here. Pound yen, it looks like now we are actually in the bull, as we can see, for quite a long while, and now it just suddenly dropped so much yesterday. Yeah, okay, so yesterday, wow, it dropped like hell, crazy. Okay, so we have actually coming into this area here. Can you believe that? Wow, okay. So, yes, yeah, that is a very big one. 600 over pips drop over there for Pound yen. So in this case right now, all right, it hits onto this level here. It seems that there's some retracement. Okay, so I would say that it has tested onto the support right now. So is it good to continue the selling for this at this moment? I would say that tentatively it's stated over into this area here that then maybe the support has been forming up. Okay, so if I'm going to go for a selling now, okay, it seems like a little bit tough, but yet there's still chance. But then a little bit tough, but yet there's still chance. So it sounds like so weird, right? Okay, so in that case, okay, we will keep this aside, all right, and let's see when the London market opens and see how it goes, all right. So Pound Kiwi, let's take a look at Pound Kiwi over here. Pound Kiwi is moving towards the bear, and today is a retracement day, so we shall skip this. How about Pound Dollar? Well, Pound Dollar is actually escalating up in the bull. So it hits on the support to transit into the bear, but tentatively it's being supported. Today, it looks like there's still chances that it's still going for some selling to look out for some support there, right? And according to right now, the reading, the movement over here, right? This area here is actually really a bit tough here because a lot of turbulence. So there may be a chance that after you're looking out for the support and it may bounce back to take out the highs there. All right, so there may be a possibility there. So looking at this here, right, tentatively by looking into this, all right, we are now still good at looking for selling. Okay, still good for looking for selling, but take note where is the support level first. Right, so by looking into this level, all right, so I see the closest support that we are looking out for is here, right, this area here. So let's see if this area here are we able to go for this support. All right, so we still have very good space down there, about 35 pips. Right, so yeah, pound dollar, I'm going to put this into my watch list and let's see if that works. Okay, all right, so yep. Okay, so in that case here, pound dollar, all right, so and also dollar CAD. Well, dollar CAD over here. Dollar CAD over here, we are actually now climbing, respecting the support climbing as a whole. So right now, okay, it seems like we are actually looking out for the support over here. That there's one over here, support, right, and there's another level of a resistance here as well. Okay, so there is one. Well, there is one area here. Right. So over at this point here, we are right now on the resistance. So dollar CAD, there may be a chance for selling. Okay, so do take note of this dollar CAD. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna put dollar CAD into my watch list as well. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Hi, Gmail user. Yes. Hi. 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 Thank you so much for coming in. All right. So over into this area here. Well, at this point here for dollar franc, we have been selling down. Okay, and over at this point here, it seems like over at this area here, we are in the middle of nowhere. I would suggest that right now, okay, for dollar franc, I would suggest that hang on first because buying is still possible, selling also possible. So in that case, I think probably we can just skip it first. Okay, so over at this point here, yeah, and at this area here, okay, so let's see for dollar yen, okay, for dollar yen, right, dollar yen at this area here, okay, over at this area here, yes, that we see some rebound here, okay, so support has been set up here, okay, so we can see that now it's actually dollar yen has been dropping in pair. So today we have some retracement. Will there be a chance that today is going to take down, okay, and now go further down? I would say that tentatively by looking into this area here, all right, the resistance is quite high up. So I think today there's some retracement up there to actually tentatively, okay, it's still on the buy side, retracement. So let's wait for the retracement first, okay, right? So over at the Bitcoin, we shall skip this because tentatively Bitcoin we have not much movement, okay. As for the goal, yesterday we are watching at 1814 and we have achieved 1814 over here, okay, for the price here. So currently, okay, the buy is still ongoing, whereby now it's actually retesting as to look out for support. So will there be any chance that actually right now is actually any area that outing? Yes, I would say possible. Okay, but right now let's see if we take out the resistance of there first. Okay, so that there will be a chance that for the buying. Okay, so buying is still possible. All right, but let's look out for the support first. Okay, all right, and yes, Gmail dollar against Russia. Okay, let's see if I can get anything. Right, let me see if I can get anything there. Right, okay. dollar against Russia. Oh, yeah. Dollar against Russia. I really seriously I would like to say that try not to. Okay, try not to because the spread is really very high up. Okay, yeah. Okay, so and not really that ideal. Okay, to trade this currency pair because I would say that it's actually very too volatile. Okay, and not really ideal. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so yeah, I guess that should be all. Yes. Dollar link. Oh, okay. um sorry, that I don't have that with me. Okay. Yeah, so yes, we can try some other. Okay. Right. Right, which one? Oh, I don't have this with me as well. Yeah, so yes, so I'm sorry, I cannot analyze that for you. Okay, I'm so sorry about that. Okay, yes. So once again, all right, then let's check what do we have today. All right, let's see. Right. Okay. Yeah. Over here. Okay, let's see. Okay. Today, let's see today. Okay. Yeah, today these are all we have for now. All right. Okay. Today we have this for now. All right. Aussie CAD, Aussie yen, Aussie kiwi, Aussie dollar, Euro yen, Euro kiwi, Euro dollar, pound franc, pound dollar, and dollar CAD. Right. Okay. So we have all these right now for selling. We can look out for all these currency pairs if there's a chance that it is on the resistance. Then after that, you can come back for the selling. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, guys. And yes, Gmail user, you were saying dollar. Oh, I don't have all these currency pairs with me for the analysis. So I cannot analyze right now for that. All right, I'm so sorry about that. Usually I try to trade along the major and some of the minor pair only. Okay. Yeah. Right. Thank you so much, guys. Okay. Yeah, Gmail user, I hope you understand that. I'm so sorry that I can't help you with all these currency pairs. Right, so I shall see you guys in another 1.5 hours time for the live trading. Thank you very much. It's every day from ACS Learning Hub. See you again.